Hi, I'm so excited to introduce my new limited edition Tropic Eyeshadow palette. I have created this palette with a user-friendly system. The layout is built like this, that every vertical row creates a beautiful, wearable, colorful look. So the first shade I'm going to use is the Exotic. It's a metallic green turquoise teal. I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of the lid. Then I'm going to blend the green with the vintage taupe. And the final shade I'm going to use is the Mint Frost. I'm going to apply it with my finger on the inner corner of the lid. This is a beautiful metallic sparkling frosty shade.